All right, in this video, I am gonna go over, I'm gonna do the satin stitch again because my first recording didn't take. We are gonna be working in red thread because that's what I have queued up in my needle today. And this is all just for play and learning, so it's okay. So satin stitch. When we think of satin stitch, we think fill the space. And we can fill the space any way we like. We can go any direction we want. We can change directions. We can do whatever we like. But it's literally just taking the thread and having each stitch butt up against each other to fill the space. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And why don't we speed this up?